So, good afternoon, students. From here, 8th chapter will start. Okay, in 8th chapter, important question, explain inline function with syntax and example. Okay, so what is inline function? Inline function, inline means a small function. Here, two things are there. Compiler replaces function call with function code. Okay, so in order to understand, first see the example here. You can see two things. One, inline int square of. Int is return type, square is function name, argument list A. A is the argument here. Before this header, I always tell how the function header will be. Return type, function name and argument list will be there. Before return type, inline keyword is there. You should observe that. After the header, there is body of the function. After header, what is there? Body of the function is there. In body, square of a number. For example, if you give 2, 2 into 2, 4 it will return. Now, you see here, there is another function called main function. There is another function called main function. So, I told you, every function header will be return type, function name and argument list. Return type is int. Function name is main, argument list empty brackets. After that you can see body of the function. First we are creating a memory location called x. Now square of 5, forget about x in the left hand side. Square of 5 means square is a function name. Now look here, function call with body of function. Observe, there are two functions. First one is inline int square of one function. Second function is int main of. In int main of, there is a function called square of. So this function will call, main function is calling square function. So control will go from second function, listen carefully, it is very easy. From here, for example, Ravi sir called me. I am in one place, Ravi sir in another place. When Ravi sir called me, the person who is located in computer lab will go to Ravi sir chamber. Okay, like that. In the second function, this function you can take it as computer lab. In this function, what is there? Square of 5 is there. This function is calling the other function. Main is calling square function. So we'll go here. For example, a is equal to 2, 2 into 2, 4. It performs the task and comes back here. Example, when Ravi sir call me, I'll go from here, tell him, for example, he gave me a work, I do the work, tell him what is the output of the work, then I come back from where, I come to the place from where I went. Same here. Now come to the definition of inline function. Inline function is a short function. Inline means one line only, no? Where compiler replaces function call with body of the function. So what is function call? This is square of 5. Kalyani, come here, like that. With name we are calling. What is the name of the function? Square is the name of the function. So function call is replaced by body. Here body of the function you see. Inline is header, down there is body. Body will be replaced. Okay. Now let us see one second. Okay. Now we are going to study about characteristics of inline function. Inline function starts with a keyword inline. Generally return type, function name and argument list will be there, no? Inline function means inline keyword will be there. Keyword ante reserved word. Now inline function should be defined before all functions that call it. Now you can see in the example I showed you, no? First inline function is defined. After that main function is defined. We are calling the inline function after we define. First inline is defined, then main is defined. From main function we are calling inline function. Study the subject, don't mug up the subject, understand the concepts, man. Compiler replaces function call with body of the function. Look here. Now, what is function call? Square of 5 is function call. What is body? Here you can see int square of int a, inline square of int a is the function name. Return a into a is body of the function. Who will bring it since compiler will bring for us? They run faster because no function calling overhead. In the previous point they said no, compiler is replacing for us, so no need to call it anymore. Now you can see the syntax. Once you know the example, return type, inline, return type, function name and argument list, body, same is here. It is very easy, students. So that is the reason from first I am telling, insisting you advantages you see. Do the daily assignments. So a compact means small function. When small function means less size, no? If less size, third point you see, execution is very quick. If less amount of code is there, very good code we can generate. Readability means understanding of program. In the fifth point, if less code is there, easily we can understand the program, no? And sixth point, you know, I already repeated it. Seventh one, fast execution. Disadvantage is, look here. Now you can observe the size. Okay, you can observe the size here, program, inline function. Actually main function only will execute first. So in place of square 5, this entire inline function will be replaced. Now size of this main will increase now. Second time it executes, again the square function is replaced. Again size will increase now. Like that size of the program will increase. Okay. So disadvantages is size of the program will increase. Don't stick to important questions only. Read entire material. Okay. Thank you.